And races on Ravishing Rafi Cuccinelli. Mega Drive down on the inside. Mike Some Lady. Presidential Transformer and Thrill of Victory is the early trailer. Cuccinelli, Mega Drive, Transformer, Ravishing Rafi. Presidential is racing on the outside. Is Mike Some Lady, Thrill of Victory. Rounding the far turn, Cuccinelli, followed by Mega Drive, Transformer, Presidential on the outside, Ravishing Rafi. Mike Some Ladies running by the rail as they race the last 500. Cuccinelli, Presidential on the outside, and here comes Ravishing Rafi and Mike Some Lady as they race the final corner. Cuccinelli, Presidential, Mike Some Lady down on the inside, Transformer, Ravishing Rafi, but still Cuccinelli by some 3 lengths now. Presidential and Mike Some Lady, and finally Cuccinelli. Presidential, Mike Some Lady, Ravishing Rafi, Thrill of Victory, Transformer, and Mega Drive. Comes
351